Hello, and welcome to the show. Today we will be talking about mass spectrometry. The mass spectrometer was invented by F.W. Aston, an English chemist and physicist, in 1927. He was able to use the device to discover isotopes of chlorine, bromine, and krypton, motivated by the earlier discovery of neon isotopes by J.J. Thomson. Mass spectrum became the method of choice for measuring the mass of an atom or molecule. It creates a mass spectrum, which visualizes the relative abundance of particle mass in a substance. There are several kinds of mass spectrometry that have pros and cons. Gas chromatography mass spectrometry is powerful, but the substance must be volatile. Liquid chromatography mass spectrometry does not need the substance to be volatile, but does not give information about the substance's molecular structure. Ions are charged particles that are created by causing an imbalance between the number of protons and electrons. The electromagnet in the mass spectrometer creates a magnetic field. As the charged ions move through, the magnetic field will create a force on the ions in a direction perpendicular to their movement. One example of a current mass spectrometer model is the Orbitrap fusion tribride, the highest performing on the market today. A demonstration with the substance magnesium sulfate. First, the molecules are ionized by bombarding them with electrons, giving them a charge. The charged particles are shot down a bent tube, passing an electromagnet. Particles that are too small or large are deflected into the walls of the tube by the magnet. However, a particle of a specific mass will be pulled by the electromagnet just enough so its trajectory will allow it to pass through the tube. This particle will hit the detector at the end of the tube and will be recorded for measurement. By changing the strength of the electromagnet, a mass spectrum will be created by recording the various masses that made it to the detector. The spectrum is easy to interpret, as the vertical line at each mass shows the relative abundance of the substance at that mass. The most common mass of magnesium sulfate occurs at 120, however it also exists as 121 and 122 mass units. This is because the one sulfur atom in sulfate is most common at 32 mass units, but also occurs at 33 and 34. Goodbye and thanks for watching from the meme team.